Hi guys, this is Keith. You are watching Wild Hack. So today is the 14th of February. It is the Valentine's Day. So let's go out for a date, guys. Right guys, so as per the date, the place what I've decided is the Airoli Creek. So I'm here at the Airoli Creek. If you can just have a look right at the back. So it's a beautiful place. You can just have a look here. It's a black swamp, mangroves. You can just have a look behind me, right there. So if you can see that the place is quite good. It's perfect habitat for these beautiful birds. You'll find a lot of birds out here. So let's get started for the date, my friends. You enter, so it's the road, and then you just need to take a left. You can see this small little lake, okay, with mangroves. So this is the ideal landmark, okay, and then you head straight. So you can just, this small little road, and then you head towards the Airoli Creek. There is a cormorant out there, and as you can see right on top, so these birds are found in fresh water. You can also see them near salt water or salt pans, and they're mostly found lakes, ponds, streams and creeks. The Indian cormorant measures 60 centimeters in length and may weigh up to 2 kilograms. These birds have a long tail. The major characteristic of this bird is it has blue colored eyes. The wings are brown in color, and the rest of the plumage is black. They make a harsh sound. It may sound like kit. The cormorant is a resident bird and flies across water bodies in search of food. The cormorant mostly feeds on fish as it dives into water to catch fishes. As you can see, there are pigeons, a lot of pigeons feeding near this lake, but as you can see, there is a lot of garbage thrown into the water, which is not a good sign for these birds. So as you can see, just have a look at this place. There's a hut out there, and this is a swamp. Just have a look at this place, guys. There isn't much space to walk, and what I can see is there is an egret right there, just behind those branches. Little egrets are species of the heron family and share the same habitat. Little egrets have white plumage on crest, back and chest, black legs and bill, and yellow feet. Little egrets live in fresh water, brackish and marine wetlands. They hunt in marsh, swamps, streams, rivers, ponds, lakes, lagoons, canals, ditches, fish rearing ponds, flooded farm fields, and some upland habitats. They are also known as wading birds. The great egret eats mainly small fish but also eats amphibians, reptiles, small birds, small mammals, and invertebrates such as crayfish, prawns, shrimps, dragonflies, and giant water bugs and grasshoppers. It hunts in belly deep or shallow water. They hunt in marine, brackish, and freshwater wetlands, alone or in groups. It waits as it searches for prey or simply stands still to wait for prey to approach. As the prey approaches, they strike as fast as lightning. As the sun is setting, you may often find kites, eagles near creeks, ponds, lakes as they hunt for fishes. Sandpipers are not much bigger than a sparrow. They have distinctive yellow-green legs and a high-pitched creep call. You will always find them across mudflats or marshes, where they walk with a hunched posture and probe for little crustaceans, insects, and other invertebrates. Just have a look at this water here. It's dark black, greenish, and it's stinking, guys. That's the reason why it's called black swamp, because all that vegetation that rots out. Okay, let me just show you something. Well, I can see a bird here. I'll just show you. There it is. So it is, it's a heron. It's a grey heron, I guess, and it's looking out for shelter. And it's dark, so can't quite see it quite clearly. Just try to zoom in, show you guys. But no, it's very dark. The light's against me today. Well, and the bird too. It just flew off. I guess I've seen something in that water there. I'm not quite sure what it was, but I think it's a snake. It was somewhere around there. I'm not sure. Let me just check. never know. And these bushes, as I wanted to film more species of birds, I didn't realize that I have got quite deep into the swamp. It's already turning dark and I need to get back, guys. Oof. I was here around 5 and I couldn't shoot much. There are lots of birds out here. You can see. Actually, I was quite late to reach out here, and you can see how dark it is. We are in the mangroves right now. This is complete mangrove, and it's very quiet. It can be very dangerous as well. Sometimes there just isn't anything getting around the fact that you are about to enter into something distinctly unpleasant. A swamp is definitely one of those places. During the day, this place is lively and noisy with birds, but at night, it goes dead, quiet as it can be. Scary. Let's move out. In places like this, there is nothing but stink, mosquitoes and insects. It's a place where you regularly feel something moving down your leg, only to look down in increased paranoia to see nothing. At times, places like this can swallow you, especially if you're all alone. There are predators in here and I can fall an easy prey. Snakes and other poisonous insects hide in these bushes and trees. One bite and it's all over. In situations like this, you need to keep your calm and get out of this place. Trying to get out of this as quickly as possible. Hi guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the like button and also do comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I know it was quite disappointing. It was a disappointing date. Sorry for that, guys. I wanted to show you a lot of birds, but I couldn't come across a lot of birds. I did come across a very few birds, and trust me guys, it's very difficult when you're all alone and you're doing this. So I did try my best. I did enter the mangroves and try to explore this place, but it was quite dark, and due to which I couldn't find much birds as well. So my request is, whenever you come, first try and come. Do not do this all alone by yourself like I'm doing. You can just try. It's an advice to you guys. Please get someone along with you all. You can come with your friends, family, or someone who can enjoy this, who really loves doing this. So this is a really good place. It's the Airoli Creek. Okay, so you can just enter in. It's a straight road, and then towards the left hand side you can see this place here right behind me. So you can enter this and it takes you to the mangroves, and this, towards my right hand side you can see that there is a lake which I showed you earlier. So it's a beautiful place to explore. You will find a lot of birds out here. Okay, but make sure that you're coming early in the morning, or either or somewhere around at 4ish, so that you have enough of time. I didn't have enough of time to shoot this footage, so extremely sorry for that. But yes guys, so my aim is just to show you places like this so you all can explore. Come along with your friends and explore places like this. So I hope you like this video. As I said, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So with this I end my video. Bye guys. And a very important thing, guys, you need to get a mosquito repellent with you, because whenever you're entering the mangroves, there are a lot of mosquitoes. Okay, it's their territory, so they keep dragging you out. They'll just keep kicking you off, so it's very difficult. So please get a mosquito repellent to fight them out. That's very important.